BabyDam Bathwater Barrier converts a standard non-textured by BabyDam is one of the best sellers among baby bathing tubs and seats products. BabyDam has been specifically designed to turn your family bath into your baby's bath. BabyDam creates a smooth transition from a baby bath to a family bath, accompanying your baby while growing from a newborn to a toddler. BabyDam will save you tens of liters of precious water during every bath time, as you will only need to fill the required section of the bath. BabyDam can be positioned anywhere in the bath, creating a fun and cozy environment for your baby to enjoy bath time every time. BabyDam's unique design makes it an easy-to-store product. It is compatible with standard-type baths, including P-shaped baths. Important instructions on how to install your BabyDam 1. Before installing your BabyDam, make sure the sides and bottom of your tub is completely clean of any invisible soap residue. 2. Wet the bottom of the suction cups under the faucet. 3. Flex the BabyDam with suction cups facing away from the faucet. Make sure the bath divider is even on both sides and press down firmly so the rubber seal is pressing down against your tub. 4. Press down firmly on both suction cups and slide your fingers along the rubber seal to make sure it is firmly sealed. 5. Give the middle of the BabyDam a little tug to make sure it's sturdy and fill your tub with warm water for baby.